Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And we're going to take a brief look at a brand new Premier 230 Intrigue. So this one has a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado on the back of it. Very, very good performance, incredibly good handling. That's due in large part to their log design, and in particular, this PTX middle log. Oversized, flat running surface on the bottom provides a lot of lift, provides a lot of stability, and a lot of turning capabilities. This boat will outperform practically anything on the market short of things exotic. So one of the things I really like about this model, does come with a ricochet ladder. So this ladder you don't have to lift up manually, you just leave it down, and as you start driving the boat, the force of the water will hit it and bring it up. So don't have to worry about messing with your ladder. As you can see, it does have underwater lights. This was ordered with a saltwater package on it, so there is some sacrificial anodes on the bottom to help with corrosion. Overbuilt ski tow bar, really, really nice, as well as having some lighting built into it, which is, it's turned off right now, but the Premier logo lights up. You can see it actually on this one. It's the exact same tower. Looks really good, really nice, nice touch. Let's go in and check out the inside of this boat. All right, so on the inside of this model, this has the stern lounge version of it. Definitely the best designed flip-flop lounger on the back of any pontoon boat on the market right now. So as it's set up right now, you have seating facing backwards, which is legal because you have a ski tow bar, and you have seating that can go forward. But what you can also do is flip that to the front of the boat, take this all the way to the aft, and now you have a nice full-length rear lounge. The other thing you can do is flip this one up and put this one down and have a full-length forward lounge. You can also lay that down flat and get a full sun pad. So really, really smartly done. I haven't seen another one like this on the market, and it is probably my favorite lounger out there right now. 8 cup holders back here in the lounge area. Lockable small glove box. They took the time to seal this so it's fairly water resistant. Also a double USB port down in there, pretty smart. Power bimini top on the back of this boat. Nice stainless steel stern gate to keep the little ones from going to the back of the boat. Big 12-inch Simrad. Right now it's set up to be your RGB controller for all of your colored LED lights. Controls for stereo built into and some other things also, built right into the steering wheel. Really, really well done. Controls over here, as well as a wireless charging port. All of the Premiers have a raised helm on them. It's standard in this brand. I love it. Gives you a little bit of a higher seating if people are sitting in front of you. Dual captain seats. This is a 23-foot boat with a 300 on it. It is rated for 17 people or 2,300 pounds. Largely because of that oversized middle log, gives you extra buoyancy, takes the seating capacity, bumps it up. You'll be really hard pressed to find another 23-foot boat that has the same seating, and you definitely won't find one that has more. Wraparound seating up front on all of the Intrigue series that have the LED lights. They recess them up underneath this, underneath the top of this upholstery. Looks really, really nice. LED lights in your cup holders, as well as wireless cell phone chargers set right in between your cup holders. You really have to feel this upholstery, this ultra fabric to really appreciate it. It's the same fabric they use in some McLaren cars and Sea Ray yachts from a couple years ago. Really, really good stuff. Hand feels awesome. Forward bimini, this is in the closed position right now, or in the radar position, but you can unfurl this and zip it back to here and get full shade if you like it. You really have to see this boat in person to really, truly appreciate it. If you want to set up a showing appointment or see it in person, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.